guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna start off with the Urban Decay B6 Vitamin Infused Spray to prep my skin. Then I'm gonna go in with the Badescu Rose Water Spray, and I'm gonna also prep my skin with that. Now I'm going in with the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir just to moisturize my face. And then finally, I'm going in with the Embryolisse Primer and Moisturizer. And I do a lot of prep to my skin so that my skin can be nice and hydrated and plump for my foundation. And then just putting some lip balm on. Now that my eyebrows are done, we're going to go in with the Subculture Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'm going to go in with the first shade Roxy for my transition shade. And I'm going to work that into my crease. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Fudge and also put that on the outer corner. The most of it I'm going to put on the outer corner and then lightly brush it into my crease. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Destiny, and I'm going to put that on the inner corner and the outer corner of my eye because I am going for a more halo look. Now with these shadows, you do have to work with them, lightly dip into the shadows and then blend it out. So it's a lot of blending and a lot of technique that goes into this palette. Some people don't like it because it does have a lot of fallout, but it's because they're pressed shadows, so you have to kind of work with them and take your time with them.
6.5 hours later.
As you can see, we're still blending it out, girl. Now, don't give up on this palette. This palette does need a lot of TLC. If you just take your time and blend, you will learn to love this palette. So take your time, just blend it out. Now we're going to go into the shade Adorn. I'm going to take the MAC Fix Plus and spray my brush so it can come out more, it could just be more of a pop. Now, that kind of didn't work out for me. I ended up going in with my finger. I felt like the shadow picked up best when I used my finger. So that's what we're doing here. We're just putting it on the center of the lid. Now I'm going in with the Ingot Gel Liner in the shade 77. It's just a very black eyeliner. If you don't have this eyeliner, you need it in your life. Just with any angled liner brush, and it just works beautifully. Now I'm going in with the Roller Lash. This is also another great mascara. It's from Benefit. Now I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Samantha lash. I love these lashes. They're my favorite. Now I'm just going in with the Makeup Forever Step 1 to prime my skin and just get rid of the pores. Here I'm using the Cover FX Peach Corrector to cancel out those dark circles, girl. Lord knows I need that. And then I'm going in with the NYX Corrector as well. This is the green one to cancel out my redness. For foundation, I'm using the CoverGirl Healthy Elixir Foundation. I am in the shade 755. This is a medium to full coverage foundation. It is a very beautiful foundation. The only thing I do not like is that it has a very perfume smell to it. It's so weird. You don't smell it after 5 minutes, but yeah, it kind of bothers me in the beginning, but I love it, so I continue to use it. And I'm just buffing it out with the Morphe Y6 brush. Here I'm using the Maybelline concealer. This is in the shade medium to just brighten up the under eyes and conceal that area. I'm also highlighting my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and then just blending it out with a beauty blender. Now I'm going in just to brighten it up, just adding a little bit to the center of my face and under my eyes. I'm doing the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is in the shade Light Medium, I believe. I'm going to link everything down below so you guys can have the links to everything, just in case I am saying anything wrong. Now I'm just to bake under my eyes. I'm using the Laura Mercier baking powder. It is a translucent powder, so it goes on pretty white, and then once you dust it off, you look amazing, girl. Here I'm going in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. It is a contour and highlight palette. I am going in with the middle shade, the banana shade. That is my favorite shade for under my eyes. It just gives you that extra brightness that you need. It is amazing. I think they sell them separate now. And then just to bronze up, I am using the Givenchy bronzer. I will link it down below. I'm not sure what shade it's in. Now for my favorite highlighter of all times, the Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood highlighter. It is an amazing highlighter. If there's one highlighter that you need, it's this one. So stop what you're doing after you finish this video and go purchase that highlighter. I'm taking fudge and I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line to blend it out nicely. And then I'm gonna take Dose of Colors Cork and Pure Hollywood by Anastasia Beverly Hills to put that in the center of my lips. And that's all for this tutorial. I hope you guys loved it. Give me a thumbs up, leave me any comments down below, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.